Okay, let's read our story now. We're going to talk about inventions. And what inventions do you know about? This is a story about the robot inventor. And he invents robots. Big ideas. Meet Tomotaka Takahashi. Tomotaka Takahashi. I think that's a really fun name to say. That's his name, Tomotaka Takahashi. He invents unusual robots. How did he get started? Mr. Takahashi was born in Japan in 1975. As a child, he played with blocks. He used his imagination to make all sorts of forms and shapes. Isn't that interesting? Because we're talking about shapes in math now. And we're talking about inventions in science. All kind of goes together. Later, he read comic books about a robot named Astro Boy. There's Astro Boy. The robot looked like a real child. Takahashi wanted to make robots just like it. So there's where he came from, Japan. This is where we are right over here. That's a long ways away. Finding out about robots. In 1999, Takahashi began to study robots. He took classes to learn how they move. The robots bent their legs when they walked. It did not look right to Takahashi. People did not walk that way. Then Takahashi had an idea. He made a better robot. It did not bend its legs when it walked. It moved more like a person. Making better robots. In 2003, Takahashi started his own company. He made many robots. A short robot climbed up a cliff with a rope. A bigger robot lifted a car with its arms. Another robot rode a bike for 24 hours. Here he is riding his bike. Takahashi began to put his robots in contests. He made 3 robots for a sports race in Hawaii in 2011. The first robot had to swim. The second robot had to ride a bike. The third robot had to run. The robots had to do these tasks for a week. For the race, there were many problems to solve. Takahashi made the swimming robot waterproof. He gave it arms like fins to help it swim faster. Another robot was able to ride its bike for 100 miles without braking. The third robot ran for 26 miles. So there's the robot that runs. He's just running in the thing. Interesting. What will Takahashi invent next? Will his robots fly and soar like Astro Boy? Will they be his finest? We can only guess. We must wait and see. Tomotaka Takahashi is sure of one thing. His robots will do more and more. So what kind of a robot would you like to invent?